Howdy, it's Josh, and let's answer a quick question that I had from one of my high-level affiliates, which is how can I copy a page I made into a different funnel step? With high-level, that's super easy. The way you do that is you click on new funnel or new website, works either way. And once you've created from blank, we'll just do a test one. We can click on create. This also works, and I'll show you in a minute. If you already have a website or a funnel built, you can do it the same exact way. And what we'll do is we'll add a new step. We can also make this a test and create the funnel step. You'll land on a page that is going to prompt you to create something new. And you're going to have this option that says use existing. If you click on use existing, you have a couple of options. You can choose from one of your pre-built funnels. So you could find the name of the funnel that you want to copy from and go to the funnel step and click on that here. That will then pull that page that you've already built out, and you can click on import. You can do the same thing for a website. Find the website that you like, find the home page that you like or any others, and then you can click on import. That will take the pre-existing and pre-built landing page from any of your websites, funnels, or webinars and copy it into this page. Now, if you want to copy it from sub-accounts, you've got a couple options. You can click on the share funnel button, and this will give you a link, and that can be copied at the snapshot level. And so you can just open up a new page and copy that link and copy it into your account. You can also go into the agency level, but before we do that, let me show you a pre-existing website page and do the exact same process. So we'll go into my eGrowth Lab website, and I can go and click on add a new page, and we'll make it a test page. And when we add that and create a new page, we've got the option to add or create from existing. And that way we don't have to design a new page every single time. We can of course create from blank, but in this case, we'll click on use from existing, and we can go to the website page that we want to copy, find that website page, and then copy it into this account. And once we click on import, it'll add it to this pre-existing website. Super easy to get that set up. Let me show you what that would look like at the agency level if you wanted to copy a bunch of information from your account. Agency level, this is going to be creating a snapshot. This is what you would do in order to share a ton of information that's inside of a sub-account with other sub-accounts or even other agencies. So you can click on create a new snapshot, and then we'll find the snapshot name. Then we'll grab the snapshot name and then choose the sub-account we want. Once we have the sub-account chosen, we can click on next, and it'll pull all the different assets and compile it into a page that we can pick and choose which assets we want to use. Once we have all the assets available, you'll be able to jump down to funnels and websites, and you can find each one of the pages that you want to use. So in our case, we can use the GHL calculators, revenue calculator, and we can click on create. When we click on create, that will then create a new snapshot for just the assets that we have pulled. Once we have that snapshot created and we have the refresh snapshot is loading at the moment, once this has loaded, let me refresh the page. We've got this test snapshot that we just added. We can click on the create new account. That will create a brand new sub account using this snapshot, and that funnel page or website that we just selected will then be copied in. This is also applicable for custom values, for the webinar templates, for the pipelines, a ton of information inside of your sub account. You can assume that it can be copied into a snapshot and be used and duplicated. We can also refresh the snapshot or push an update to a linked sub account, or we can click on the three dots and we can copy it, share the snapshot, and view history. This will allow us to load the snapshot into any sub account. We can also go to an individual sub account using the switcher on the left hand side. And once we're inside of the sub account, we can go to the actions in the upper right hand side, and we can click on load snapshot. We can then choose the snapshot that we want that has all the assets. We can click on proceed, and we can choose which assets we want to load into the account. And once we click on proceed, it'll load all of the assets that we want into our account, including that website or the funnel that we wanted to load. This is the quickest way to keep one snapshot updating all of your sub accounts if you have a lot of clients inside of a high level, or if you want to package, give away, and or sell individual high-level snapshots. That way you only have to build it once, and then if you have future updates, you don't have to jump into individual sub-accounts to make all those updates. Hope that helps, and if you have any further questions about high-level, I would love to help you. Just send me an email as my high-level affiliate, and we will get you all sorted out. All right, talk soon.